Filmora versus Shotcut. Which free video editor is better? Choosing the right free video editor can completely change how you create professional videos without the frustration of complicated tools. We'll explore Filmora and Shotcut to help you decide. Filmora and Shotcut are two popular free video editors with distinct approaches. Filmora offers a polished, user-friendly interface with built-in effects, while Shotcut is an open-source editor focused on flexibility and advanced customization. The core difference lies in ease of use versus depth of control. Filmora is a free video editing software designed for creators who want a straightforward yet powerful editing experience. It features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the editing process. Users can access a wide range of built-in effects, transitions, and templates to enhance their videos quickly. Filmora supports multiple video and audio tracks and offers easy color correction, audio editing, and text overlays. Its streamlined design helps beginners get started without steep learning curves. However, the free version adds a watermark to exported videos and limits some premium features behind a subscription. Filmora's strengths include its polished interface, extensive effect library, and fast rendering speeds. It is ideal for casual creators, YouTubers, and small businesses who want to produce polished videos with minimal effort. The main limitation is the watermark and fewer advanced editing options compared to professional-grade software. Overall, Filmora balances simplicity with useful features, making it a great choice for users who prioritize speed and ease over deep customization. Shotcut is a free, open-source video editor that appeals to users seeking extensive control and flexibility. It supports a wide range of video formats and offers advanced features like multi-track editing, keyframe animations, and native timeline editing. Shotcut's interface is modular and customizable, allowing users to arrange panels and tools to fit their workflow. It provides powerful filters for video and audio, including color grading, chroma key, and audio mixing. Shotcut does not impose watermarks or time limits, making it fully free to use. However, its interface is less polished and can feel overwhelming for beginners due to the abundance of options and less guided workflow. Shotcut's strengths lie in its versatility and absence of restrictions, making it suitable for users comfortable with technical editing. It's ideal for hobbyists, semi-professionals, and anyone who wants a robust free editor without subscription fees. The main limitation is the steeper learning curve and less intuitive design compared to Filmora. Comparing Filmora and Shotcut highlights the trade-off between ease of use and advanced control. Filmora's user-friendly interface and built-in effects allow quick video creation, perfect for social media content or simple projects where speed matters. However, its free version watermark and fewer pro features limit its appeal for serious editing. Shotcut, on the other hand, offers full access to powerful tools without restrictions, ideal for detailed editing and experimentation. Its open source nature means constant updates and format support, but comes with a less intuitive interface that can slow down beginners. For example, a YouTuber wanting to produce polished videos fast may prefer Filmora, while a hobbyist aiming for precise edits and no watermarks would lean toward Shotcut. Both are capable free editors, but your choice depends on whether you value simplicity or depth in your workflow. Choose Filmora if you want a polished, beginner-friendly editor with quick effects and templates, accepting a watermark in the free version. Shotcut is the better choice for those who need full editing freedom without watermarks and don't mind investing time to learn a more complex interface. Both editors offer strong value, so pick the one that fits your editing style and goals best.